National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, Collin County in north-central Texas, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Howe to near Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch to 10 miles northwest of Sanger, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, South Lake, Saxe, Corinth, Highland Village, Addison, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas and Sanger. This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 481. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 68 and 85. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 446 and 466. Interstate 30 near mile marker 79. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Louisville Lake, Levon Lake, or Grapevine Reservoir, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats.